It's not a popular thing to say that I hire felons. The difference between being a felon and not is if you got caught. Most people probably could have had a felony on their record somewhere at some time in their life. If they're not a felon themselves, they have someone that they love and care about who really screwed up in life. Doesn't matter your gender, your race, your immigration status, or your criminal history. You show up and you work hard over here, you can make an income if the business owners are willing to provide that pathway.